bangase right laba labamhlophe ngale sebaqalile ukufunza ikhompyutha thina sifunza ezokolo amuyoswe bona sebaqalile ngekhompyutha
ngicela lento ngathi kuba interesting. Do you believe in the Bible? Ngoba nina futhi nifunde kahle lento ngani let's why basilento bakujova ngayo sesemncane vele ukhule uyibambe ungasahlukani naye mara mase uqala kubona wrong na right so khana ukuthathela ama decision.
Mina I believe in God.
Oh, you believe in God, not in the Bible.
Angiceki iBhayibheli.
Ngani banifundisa ngayo?
Besifundisa ngayo ukuthi kunalento ukuthi iBhayibheli yabhalwa ubani.
Wena ngifuna uchaze ngimbono wakho ukuthi ubona njani lebathi yabhalwa nguye whatsoever abayibhala wena ubona yabhalwa ngubani
bathi
wena bathi wena uchaze so sakho ukukhula kwenkosi banikhule banifaka lento leya and nabo lebe bayifundisa nabo mhlambe bangayithandi because even nanyalo ungathi notice ngifuna netting ngisho nje kancane June 16 bebalwa abantwana balwela inkululeko yemfundo ngani mara ANC ijikile lento leya ithi se youth day
isithi
understand lokuthi sokulimatwa umqondo ukuthi le iqiniso cobo lingafakwa
so liyafika
ifakwe le presence olabantwana so ngifuna ukukhuluma about ukuthi wena uthini ngembono wakho ngeBhayibheli iBhayibheli imani ukhona Jesu ikhona yonke lento because nayo yet contradict yona even ngokwayo leBhayibheli
ucedzile ngabo
no ngifuna
contradict mina I believe in God.
Believe in God.
Ngibonile
ukhona. Why do you say you believe in God? What God did to you to believe?
Hamba welwandle ufike nje ubuke elwandle usi God hamba bithi inzaba letinkulu leti ufike uyibuke so yadibuta ukuthi who created
this thing?
This. That's God. Uyabona lo mhlaba lesilelo kuwo lesakhathe indlu kwakhona ugwaqo ubuhlelo ubuka le nature nje ibuya ngihlala ngibuka kwakhona indlu kulo mhlaba